Harrison Solway distribute anything that's on a pallet, with the exception of one of our largest clients who do bathroom pods that we distribute for them. We're a member of one of the biggest pallet networks in the UK, and we're very proud of that. My husband Lee Solway and Paul Harrison both worked for a previous incarnation of this business, and they bought it out as a management buyout in the year 2000. I can't remember the exact number, but we're probably running about a dozen vehicles, something like that. We're now running 36 and in excess of 50 trailers. Our turnover has gone up probably sevenfold in that time. So we've needed James Legal along the way for lots of things. I dealt with Nick probably about 5 years ago now, following a dispute with an employer at the time. A long-standing employer, had been there around 20 years, and the relationship broke down. And Nick was very instrumental in making sure that I was protected legally. The focus was on that I was okay as a person and that the relationship could move forward. They're not your average suited and booted town lawyer, so we find them much more approachable, much more like us, down to earth individuals, and the whole team are like that from the top to the bottom. We've recently renewed the lease on our business premises. Kelly dealt with that for us, ensuring that all the terms and conditions and everything are exactly as we expect them to be, and just telling us the bits we need to know in plain English. We're not lawyers and we rely on them for the advice. It's no good giving us it in law speak. So we really need them to break it down, and they are particularly talented at that. I think it doesn't matter who you are at James Legal. We seem to have enjoyed the same benefits, whether we were speaking to them from a business perspective or a personal, and they very much make us feel like a big fish in a small pond, unlike how you would feel perhaps at some of the other firms in the city. On a personal level, I feel we receive immense personal care. Normally you wouldn't be able to call the head person at any other firm, whereas I could call Nick tonight at 8 o'clock if I was desperate and he would answer the phone and help. I think it comes back to James Legal's own strapline, if you like, a fresh approach. Nick was very much not your typical stuffy lawyer. You could speak to him in plain English and understand what you were about to do. It doesn't matter whether you're £1,000 bill or £100,000 bill, you're going to get the same level of service.